In this video, we are going to start by building a new baseline. We can do that by going to the New Baseline option in the ribbon bar, and we will give it a name. Once we have given it a name, we can click Next. Here we can add in our work items for the baseline. We could do this using a query if we know the ID of the work items, if we want to do a search for something that's in the title of the work items, or if the users can select a specific date on which the work item was created. We are going to use a query. Here, I am bringing all the work items that are part of my project. You can pick and choose the ones that you want to publish as a baseline. Here we are selecting a few work items and we'll click OK. We can see that we have all those work items ready to be saved as a baseline. We can go ahead and remove individual work items by selecting the work item and clicking Remove or add additional work items by clicking on Add Work Item. This will bring us the Add Work Item window. We can then bring in additional work items to this baseline. If we want to add work items, but we want to see how they're state on a specific date, we can use the calendar option. Using the calendar function, we can even identify all of these work items as they were at the start of the iteration. For right now, I'll leave it as the current version of these work items. We'll now go ahead and save this baseline. Now we've created a baseline from the Baseline tab. With the Modern Requirements module, you can create baseline from the Backlog view, Query view, and through many of the modules in Modern Requirement. Let's go to our Backlog view. We will make a baseline for some of our work items from this view. Now here we can shift-click to select all of these work items. From the context menu, you can select the option for creating a baseline. This allows the users to create a baseline from the Queries tab and from the Backlog module. We follow the same process that we used in the Baselining tab, where we simply give this a name. Once we have given a title to our baseline, we can link Create and we can see that we are again brought to the Baselining tab so that we can actually interact with our new baseline. This brings us to the end of our video. Thank you for watching.